are going to explore a new gel-free mono printing technique that I have been inspired to do because of the stencil classes that I've done for you guys. So I was trying to bend my brain as to a new technique we could do, and I think we found it. No mess, no acrylic, no gel plate. Let's discover this new mono printing technique that gets you unique results every single time. All right, my friends, so here's my bright idea. I thought I'd grab some muscadine vine. I have my bag of tricks here, watercolor soluble markers. I'm just gonna extract a few of these leaves. So what I'm gonna do right now, I think I'm just gonna wet the paper, put some fun color on it. I believe I'm gonna put blues and greens on the leaf itself. At least there's a little bit on the page. I hate looking at a white piece of paper. I think you guys know that about me by now. So let's take this little leaf and I'm gonna put some turquoise blue on it. And I know I'm gonna sandwich it with another sheet of paper, so I'm gonna try out this side as well. Okay, these can dry, it's no big deal. I'm experimenting with you guys. So if you want to do this with me, grab some leaves from outside that have some texture to them that are, fairly substantial, and grab your water soluble markers, wet a piece of watercolor paper, and let's see what happens. I mean, this is kind of exciting. All right, I'm getting a darker green out. I don't want to hammer on the leaves too hard because I do want them to retain their rigidity. Let's do a darker blue on. That's 5 leaves. I mean, let's see what happens, right? So I'm just getting a little bit more color on the back of here. I'm actually getting it quite wet. And then I'm going to add just a little bit more yellow or yellow ochre. Okay, so we're just going to lay these leaves down. Actually, I'm going to flip some of these. This is just a tester. I just want to see what it's going to do, right? I'm going to wet this sheet of paper. I'll add some pinks. And then I'm going to make a sandwich. Why not? I'm not sure what's going to happen. I haven't done this before. I thought, why give it a test? Why give it a test when I can just do it in front of you guys? Okay, I think I'm going to weight this down and then we'll come back and look at it together. So let's do this one more time, only with maybe a greeting card. So I've got both sides of this all set to pop. I will spray the card. We're going to let this dry also. We're going to look underneath the sandwich that we created. We'll start with the one that we did last. How about you? Isn't that cool? Look at all these little shapes and stuff. Gosh, it's gorgeous. And then, of course, you can embellish right on top of that. I'm thinking I'm loving this, right? That was awesome. Now let's check out the other one. Okay, so these are the muscadine leaves that we did very first off. Ooh, look at that. That's kind of fun. Yeah, I hope this bends your brain a little bit as to some more possibilities of what you can do. And this is the other side. Yeah, again, so resounding success. I think these are pretty neat. All right, guys, that's it. Now that we've got the fundamentals down, I can't wait to have fun and dive into some of these techniques a little deeper. Cheers.